Hey there, Luke with Canix here. Today we're going to cover Canix's exciting new feature, attachments in manufacturing runs and batches. Attachments can now be added to both batches and runs to help keep all of your necessary documents for your production processes in one place. This can include things like quality assessments, machine data, lab results, and much more. They can be added to both batches and runs. I am here in one of my manufacturing batches, and to add attachments at the batch level, we'll add them here in the batch details card. I've already added an attachment to this batch, so this now says view files. We can click into here and view any files that have already been attached to the batch. We can download them here or delete as well and see when they were uploaded. We can also go ahead and upload more attachments. We can drag file in and upload this file here. You should be able to upload any sort of file type, so PDF, Docs, Google Doc, Google Sheet, etc. Once these are uploaded, we can go ahead and view these files again and see that we have both listed here to be able to download, or if we wanted to delete them as well here. At the run level, we can click into one of our runs. We can upload attachments here in the notes and observations table. Go ahead and upload the same process as on the batch page. And now anyone can come in here and see any sort of the necessary documents that we wanted to have attached with this specific run here. I hope that this was helpful, and thanks for watching.